Hi everyone, welcome to Let's Get Employment. Today in this video, we are going to talk about the job role of engineer. So there will be 5 job openings for this job role and one bonus job opening is there. Comment your educational qualifications and the job role which you are looking for with your preferred job location. So let's jump into our first job opening for today. First job is from the company AppDirect and the role is Elasticsearch Engineer. Location is Pune, Maharashtra, India. Requirements for this role are: you are a technical leader with a real passion for development with a strong product sense, experience with developing in modern programming language. Example: Scala, Java, SQL, Python. Exposure to some of the following technologies: Apache Spark and Flink, AWS and Azure, Docker and Kubernetes, CDC. Understanding of data scheme: SQL, JSON, Avro, Protobuf. Experience automating, producing and consuming data in real time from event-driven microservices using streaming platforms like Kafka. Proven experience building data pipelines and data solutions aligned to business architecture, operational and analytics use cases. Good knowledge and understanding of data structures and experience handling large data sets. Comfortable in code reviewing other engineers' code and driving reviewing technical designs. Ability to self-manage, think critically, handle multiple tasks and or project to deliver solutions. Ability to clearly communicate complex ideas to a technical and non-technical audience. If you are eligible for this job role, click on this apply button. Then this page will open. Scroll down and then fill this application form. Here are the basic details: first name, last name, email, phone, location, resume. How did you hear about this job? Relevant experience, current CTC, expected CTC and the notice period is required to you. Then click on the submit application button and submit this application. Second job is from the company Smart Beer. Role is Associate Customer Care Engineer. Location is Bangalore, Karnataka. Requirements for this role are: a personable, empathetic and professional manner when dealing with customers, proficiency when reading, writing and speaking English, a systematic approach to problem solving and an eagerness to learn new skills and embrace new concepts and technologies. University degree or equivalent in a STEM subject where modules have involved programming. Demonstrable skill with at least one programming language. Bonus points for relevant engineering experience. Example: industrial placement, final year project, side project, open source contributions. It's an entry level job. So that means if you are a fresher, you are eligible to apply. And if you are eligible to apply, click on this apply button. Then here click on the apply now button. Fill this application form. Basic details are here: first name, last name, email, phone, resume. Are you currently based in Bangalore? What are your salary expectations? Do you have 1 to 3 years of experience? Then your LinkedIn profile, link, and then click on the submit application button and submit it. Third job is from the company NeoArchie. Role is Performance Engineer. Location is Bangalore, Karnataka. Requirements for this role are: object-oriented programming language Java and C++, JMeter experience with cloud technologies, experience in APM tools like App Dynamics, good knowledge in any one of the scripting language, good understanding of Linux OS concepts, CPU performance, load average and many more. Garbage collection strategies, etc. Good at RCA, knowledge in RDBMS, MongoDB, etc. If you are having all the skills or few of them and you are eligible to apply, click on this easy apply button, fill the application form and submit it. Fourth job is from the company Blockneet. Role is Integration Engineer. Location is Bangalore, Karnataka. Act as an API lead developer within development projects, prepare learning documentation, integrating specific implementation details of TDI, GI, assist support. This is the full job role. Skills required for this role are: Java resource with strong DB experience and device integration experience. It is a major thing and there are many more skills required. You can read it here. If you are eligible for this job role, click on this easy apply button, fill the application form and submit it. Last job is from the company Gigamon. Role is SW Engineer, that means Software Engineer. Location is Mylapore, Tamil Nadu. Requirements for this job role are: completed coursework in operating system, computer architecture, networking, object-oriented design, data structure and algorithms, good familiarity with networking fundamentals, love of playing with networking gear, patience in reading user manuals, ability to use user manuals, patience in executing test cases, school or industry project involving significant design and development, experience in one of the languages C, C++, Java and any other. If you are eligible for this job role, click on this apply button. Then this page will open. Here click on the apply button. Then here they ask data consent, location of residence and language. So select all other countries and then click on I accept, and then this application form will open. Fill the application form and then submit it. So these were 5 job openings for today for the role of engineer. Now let's jump into our bonus job opening for today. It's from the company Solidev Electrosoft Private Limited. Role is software trainee and location is Dera Bassi, Punjab. Requirements for this role are: they are looking for a fresh talent for our organization who is seeing an opportunity to build career in software industry. Should be having graduation in either engineering or masters or bachelor's in computer application. Any of the following tech specifications are good to have: .NET Core, Angular, React, JS, Flutter and Python. Experience 0 to 1 year. CTC is 1.8 LPA to 2.4 LPA. And salary will revise within 6 months after that yearly appraisals. Location is Zirakpur near Tri-City. Perks are 12 paid leaves, 5 festival leaves, 6 medical leaves, 9-hour office timings, flexible timing, 5 days working, flexible lunch time, friendly work environment, exposure to work on new technologies, employee-friendly policies. If you are eligible for this job role, click on this easy apply button, fill the application form and submit it. You can find the link in the description and apply for this job role. If you want more videos on this job role, do comment in the comment section the word engineer. All the best, and if video helpful लगी हो तो वीडियो को like कीजिए, share it with your friends, and for more latest job updates चैनल को subscribe कीजिए. Thanks for watching this video.